sit down, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so today's task, we are going to do our group work. So everybody, please sit in your group of 5 now. Okay guys, everybody look in front.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
From the sketch we watched a moment ago, we can see the problem that still plagues the 21st century learning classroom, where the chair poses a lot of distraction during grouping session. Besides that, students are easily annoyed with the discomfort felt, straining their neck to look at the teacher.
Undoubtedly, the 21st century learning classroom should be conducive, safe, and comfortable one. So what can we do to create such learning classroom? The answer is simple. The chairs have to be reinvented. Introducing NC+, the next generation multi-purpose chair. NC+ offers the flexibility that no one could ever imagine. We use the most advanced yet environmental friendly technology to reinvent the chairs that we all know today.
NC Plus is made from high-density polyethylene (HDPE) recycled from our daily use products such as this. We reshape this HDPE into our seats by melting it under 250 degrees Celsius.
A ball bearing is attached to the back of the seat and is welded together with a metal rod. The end of the metal rod is welded to another ball bearing and lastly attached to the base of the chair, which is again made of the recycled HDPE product. The measurements and dimensions of our NC Plus is as per shown as to you now.
Now for some accessories to our NC Plus, we are attaching Velcro strap where for under the seat for easy access of some teaching aids such as traffic light flashcard, whiteboard markers, pen, pencil, or even your favorite candy. Come join us in this adventure where we, Team Engine, is going to blow your mind.